Hi guys, in today's video we are going to create a simple Java program that calculates the perimeter and area of a rectangle and displays the results on the console. Okay, so the program starts by defining the class named test1 and a main method also. Now let's create that. So in on the source folder, I am going to click the new Java class and I'm going to name it as test1. Okay, now I created a class called test1. Inside that, I have a main method. Now this is a basic step. So every class should have a main method if you are if you want to run your program. Okay. Now inside the main method, let's define two integer variables, height and width. Okay. Now let's create int height, int width. Two things you can do. So either you can make use of scanner class. Scanner s is equal to new scanner of system.in, and this scanner comes from java.util package. So you have to import the java.util package. I'm going to import the java.util. So import java.util.star. Now I have a scanner class. I'm going to ask user to enter height and width. Okay. System.out.println, enter the height, and height I have to read it through a method called s dot next int. Okay, and similarly system dot out dot println, enter width. Now width is equal to s dot next int. That's it. Now what I have done, I have used a class called scanner for reading the values from the keyboard. Now let's say that I am inputting some values 8 and 5 respectively through keyboard. These variables represents the dimensions of the rectangle. Now next the program calculates the perimeter of the rectangle using the formula perimeter is equal to 2 into height plus width. So perimeter, we have to define perimeter, we have to define perimeter and use a formula. Int perimeter is equal to width. Int perimeter is equal what? 2 into height plus width, right? So 2 into height plus width. That's a simple program. So here the program calculates the perimeter of the rectangle using this formula. Perimeter is equal to 2 into height plus width. The calculated perimeter is stored in the integer variable on the line number 12. This is an integer variable perimeter. Now, then the program uses what? System.out.println statement to display the calculated perimeter on the console. So we can use system.out.println the perimeter of, so the perimeter of rectangle is plus perimeter. Why I'm using this plus? This plus is a concatenation operator. It is used to combine the text perimeter of the rectangle is with the value of the perimeter variable. So the value of the perimeter variable will stored inside this perimeter variable. Okay, so 2 into height plus width, whatever we gives height and width that comes from the keyboard, so that will be calculated and that value, the final value will be stored in perimeter. Now after that we can use this program also calculates the area of the rectangle using the formula area is equal to height into width. So let's create int area is equal to height into width. Now let's display that as well. Now area of the rectangle is plus area. That's it. So here the program calculates the area of the rectangle using the formula area is equal to height into width. The calculated area is stored in the integer variable area. Finally, we are using the system.out.println again to display the calculated area on the console. The concatenation operator same. The plus is used to combine the text, that is area of the rectangle is with the value of the area variable. So when the program is run, it will output the perimeter and area of the rectangle. First, it will ask the user to enter the height and then the width, and then it will calculate the perimeter of the rectangle and the area of the rectangle. So let's do that. So let me run this program. I'm going to run this program from here. Okay, click on this run test1.main. So it will ask me to enter the height and width. Okay, so I have to enter the value from the keyboard. Okay, so in this example what we are going to do, we are creating height, width, perimeter and area. All these are the integer values. Now you see it is asking me to enter the height. So height I'm going to enter it as 8, and then I pressed on the enter key. Enter width. Width is 5. Now it will calculate the perimeter of the rectangle is 26 and the area of the rectangle is 40. This is a very simple program that will help you to understand how we can use data types, variables, and how you can use a scanner class to read the values from the keyboard. Thank you. Thanks for watching.